Have you ever imagined a classroom where every student receives a personalized learning experience tailored just for them? Today's education system often stumbles over one-size-fits-all teaching methods, which fail to address the diverse learning styles and paces of individual students. Here's where artificial intelligence steps in, promising a revolution. By leveraging AI, we can design educational experiences that adapt to each learner's unique needs, ensuring no one is left behind. Now imagine infusing AI into this scenario. Let's explore how that works. To understand how AI can transform education first, we need to grasp what AI is and how it functions. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a fascinating field of computer science focused on creating machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning from experience, interpreting complex data, making decisions, and solving problems. At the heart of AI is machine learning, which allows these systems to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Imagine a computer program that can improve at identifying images of cats and dogs the more examples it sees. This is machine learning in action. Everyday technology is teeming with AI applications. From the recommendations you receive on your streaming services to the digital assistants in your smartphones, AI algorithms process vast amounts of data to learn your preferences and serve you better. With these AI capabilities, tailor-made educational games are not just a possibility, but a reality. Now, let's dive into how AI can specifically create personalized learning games that are both fun and educational. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we commonly know it, is transforming the way we approach education. It's like a tutor with infinite patience and resources, constantly learning and adapting to each student's unique needs. But how does this come to life in the realm of personalized learning games? Imagine a game that understands your strengths and weaknesses, your pace of learning, and even your preferences.